Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add funds in Robinhood application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download the Robinhood application on your phone. Of course, if you already have it on your phone, ignore that. If you don't, sorry. So if you don't, you will need to download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to go and actually sign up to create your account if you don't have an account. If you do have an account, just ignore all of that again, right, and log into your account. Let's just get straight into the tutorial. So here, as you can see, they are asking me to enter my pin code. So if it's your first time opening the application, they'll not ask you to do anything. But the second time you'll enter the application, they will ask you to set as pin code, and then you will start using this pin code whenever you want to enter the application. So for me, my pin code is just for zeros here. And as you can see, the application is opened now, and that will actually be your home or your main screen on the application. So before start using the application, you'll need actually to get your accounts verified. You'll find out how to do that in one of our videos in this channel, and then add some funds to your account, at least $1. So make sure if you didn't add the funds or verify your account, you will not have the option to use this application correctly. So if you didn't do that, you will not even be able to follow this tutorial. So let's just go back to the idea of the video, and it is how to add funds or how to deposit money into your Robinhood account. So it's simply by going to your account, click at your icon at the bottom right corner, then you will have here an option. Of course, if you have everything verified and you add funds and follow the whole steps of setting up your account, you'll have here an option called transfer money. Then choose the external debit card or bank account you would like to transfer money from. Then enter the deposit amount, choose the to transfer the deposit to your brokerage or spending account, then review the deposit. Then after all of that, just tap at transfer and you'll actually be good to go. So this will be actually for the tutorial. I hope you'll like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.